Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
My God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm! Wait. Everybody calm down!
You are my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got trouble. I got it too. There ain't nothing worth you. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too. None of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you.
I know.
You're gonna see it's our destiny, 'cause you've got a friend in me.
Oh, me too.
You've got a friend
like
in me.
Oh, no, thank you. I would like to sit here instead.
You don't want to go outside, go pee?
No, I'm outside right now and I don't want to pee. It's okay.
But you're stinking up the house.
It's okay. Maybe we come up with a safe word, and then if I say the word, it means I'll be able to go outside.
Come on, buddy.
What's our safe word?
Come on.
I'm thinking giraffe.
Come on.
That's a new safe. I didn't say it.
İstemiyorum seni. Hayır. Gelme yanıma. Gelme yanımıza. Gelme.
I'm a puppy. Cute, lovable, cuddly. I enjoy when you rub my tummy. I love treats cause they are so yummy. I'm your buddy. Yeah, I'm a puppy. I'm a puppy. Cute, lovable, cuddly. I enjoy when you rub my tummy. I love treats.
Excuse me, I need to return my dog. This one's broken. It just plopped down and stopped moving.
I want to go for a ride.
I guess it's just a puppy love. It's in my blood to be loyal. You call my name, I run to ya. When you kiss me, you make me bark. But I still want that puppy love.
Oh my God, is that your friend? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Good boy, good boy. Good boy.
Who's that?
Sit.
Roman, it's okay. Come on. It's all right. Roman, come on. Come on. It's all gone. Come on.
Okay, let's go. Bedtime. Come on. Bedtime, bedtime. Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, bedtime. Woohoo! In you go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bedtime! Woohoo! Who loves bedtime? Bedtime is bedtime.
Guys, I have great news. Rolly is 69 pounds now. Can I help you with something? Tilly, how do you feel about your brother being 69 pounds? Yeah, I mean.